Hello, my name is Lee Coleman from Hughes Coleman Injury Lawyers. Today I want to talk with you about why you should call Hughes Coleman as soon as possible following an auto accident in Bowling Green. Because you're watching this video, that probably means that you or a friend or family member, someone you love, has been in an auto accident, has been injured. And that probably means that the insurance company is already working on the case, the insurance company for the person that caused the accident, gathering information. Later on, they're going to have an advantage. You need to get somebody in your corner now, starting to work for you now. Unfortunately, over the years, I've seen many examples of cases, many cases we've handled where we just didn't have all the information we could have had to help our clients if we'd been hired right after the accident. Get somebody started now. We have staff members, team members available to go out and get records, photographs, investigate accident scenes, hire experts if we need to. That stuff can be done early on. And understand it doesn't cost you anything day one to hire a lawyer. We work on a contingent fee, which means we don't get paid until there's money at the end of the case from a settlement or recovery. It means you don't have to come out with a single dollar out of your pocket on the front end to hire a lawyer. You only pay us at the end of the case if we are able to get a settlement recovery for you. Get our team working for you now so that at the end of the case you'll have the best result possible. Our clients have a team of highly experienced personal injury attorneys on their side, advocating for their needs and helping to ensure that they receive the highest possible compensation. If you've been injured by someone else's negligence, we're here for you 24/7. Take control and call us today at 800-800-4600. For additional helpful tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel.